How to create talking avatar videos in HeyGen. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can create talking avatar videos in HeyGen. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for that, just launch the HeyGen app and this is the interface you will be able to see. From the bottom right, you can just go to the option called apps, of course, after making sure that you're logged into your account. Now here you can see the option called prompt to video. So what you have to do is just select the prompt to video option. And when you select prompt to video, you can simply guide the prompt to do whatever else you want to speak. So for example, you can choose an avatar that you have created by using auto avatar selection or choosing an avatar that you have created yourself. Similarly, you can go to voice, choose a voice or create your own voice and clone your voice. You can choose a style depending upon the type of style of video you want. The better you are at prompting the AI, the better the output of your video is going to be. And this way you will then be able to go ahead and then basically prompt the AI to create a talking avatar video. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.